Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel NP Shorthand Dictation. Friends, I'm going to dictate you at the speed of 120 words per minute. Legal dictation, so be ready for the dictation. Delay or laches is a relevant factor for a court of law to determine the question as to whether the claim made by an applicant deserves consideration. Delay and oblique or laches on the part of a government servant may deprive him of the benefit which had been given to others. Article 14 would not, in a situation of that nature, be attracted, as it is well known that law leans in favor of those who are alert and vigilant. Moreover, legitimate expectation is a part of the principles of natural justice. No fresh right can be created by invoking the doctrine of legitimate expectation. By reason, therefore, only the existing right is saved, subject of course to the provisions of the statute. Paragraph. Where there existed one unit system for promotion of employees in all departments of secretariat, however, the finance and law departments were excluded from such one unit system, and such different treatment meted out of finance and law departments were employees junior to those serving in other departments got promotion on fortuitous circumstances was never questioned by employees of other departments by filing representations or by filing applications before administrative tribunal, and for the first time after notification GOMS 126 dated 29/5/1998 providing for upgradation of pay of senior employees revised on or before 28/1/1994 in one unit on part with their juniors in finance department. Application for the upgradation of their pay accordingly was filed by the employees who were retreated long back prior to notification dated 29/5/1998. Such applications were liable to be dismissed on ground of delay in filing same. In such a case, only because a cut-off date was fixed that the same per se cannot be said to be arbitrary, as some date was required to be fixed for that purpose. Paragraph. Writ petition number 7971 of 2004 dated 21/4/2006 reserved. Paragraph. Moreover, the notification envisaged a personal pay by way of stepping up of pay. It was given the prospective effect no arrear of pay was to be paid. The upgradation sanctioned was to lapse in the event of reiteratement of the individuals or their promotion to the upgraded post. The said upgradations were to be subject to the terms and conditions contained in serial number 12 of the said order, a reading whereof would clearly lead to only one conclusion, that it was meant to be applied to the existing employees. It would therefore be incorrect to construe that the notification applied to all who had been required to the Tamil Nadu Secretariat service on or before 28/1/1994. The code should not be a strained or extended meaning thereto. While constituting such a notification, the financial impact thereof is also required to be taken into consideration. Stop. फ्रेंड्स, आई होप आप लोगों ने ये मैटर बहुत अच्छे से लिखा होगा। ये एग्जैक्ट 120 की स्पीड से मैटर था। सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।